為配合粉嶺繞道東段工程，原本嘅安樂門街遊樂場已經喺2023年初拆卸。為咗唔想運動員冇地方練習 ，CDD 就喺粉嶺北社區聯絡中心起咗個迷你滑板場，作為過渡安排，希望工程期間都照顧到用家所需。現時喺北部都會區發展策略底下，全新嘅安樂門街遊樂場已經起好咗啦。喺設計階段，我哋 CDD 揾咗相關持份者溝通，聽下佢哋嘅意見。而喺建造嘅時候，我哋有經驗豐富嘅專業團隊負責。
Some of the challenges here, one of the biggest one is the weather. You have a lot of rain and you have a lot of heat. Even today, we're up in 37 degrees, especially earlier on in the project when we had the typhoon season. That was really, pretty challenging. They want to start skating. You want to be able to have a spot for them to ride. So we have some very low element, less than a meter, that are very mellow. So kids can learn how to at least go up and down and pump through those transitions. And then we have some bigger stuff throughout the street side that you can kind of build on. You can advance your skill a little bit. Most of the bowl is intermediate level. It's around 2 meters height, but then there's some taller features that kind of bring it up to World Skate standard, where you're reaching just about 3 meters tall. And those are the more advanced features. You got hips, corners, things like that, so you have a lot of different variety.
電腦畫到好靚，但係最終要將嗰樣嘢變咗實物咧，嗰啲彎位碗池嗰啲 transition 咧，其實唔係機器啤出嚟嘅，係人手抿出嚟嘅。咁啊呢樣嘢我覺得係好難，非常之好玩。嗰啲弧度啊、啲彎位啊，所有嘢係好滑嘅，好 smooth 嘅。你見到一個亞米巴形狀咧，行嗰個路線咧，其實係千變萬化嘅。但係玩咗1-2次之後咧，其實係好易掌握到嘅，比我想象中易。
I mean, it's important that we create a design that we're happy with, going to suit all skill levels, both boys, both girls, men, women. But most importantly, the park is the park for the community here.
咁啊，嚟緊5年、10年、20年嘅年青人嘅滑板手咧，其實係好大機會，好多機會係去到世界級。以前就冇場地，冇得講，但係依家嚟緊，我哋有呢個場地，所以我覺得未來咧好光輝嘅，好多 possibility， 好多 opportunity。